No matter where you from, same rules and regulations apply. The G code. Yeah. All I bang is that trip shit, trip this. Big Snoop Dogg with my cousin Trick. Put the hammer to your biscuit, to your biscuit. Jam with the jelly, selling grams at the telly. On the celly with the kidney. If you really want it, come and get it on the dinner. 20 gang, 4 life. All my niggas locked down, no I got them locked. It's a new game, a new day. We even got homies in Akron and OK. See, and I'm the G to go and see them. Holla at a nigga on the deal. All I know is to bang the beach. 40 years, nigga, banging the east. And I can't stop and I won't stop. Even though I got a grip, still 20 crit.
6-4 chromed out, rag top rolling.
I don't hang in my hood, but I'm banging my hood.
Niggas thought it was over, but X came back rolling.
You see, I'm real with my niggas, I kill for my niggas. Yeah.
6-4 chromed out, rag top rolling.
Grew up from the turf, love doing work. I'm
Thought it was over, but X came back rolling. I got my own sack to roll, so I'm rolling.
Accept no imitation, straight losing his stack. The slimmest chances of Michael Jackson getting his black fans back. My reputation's like a Tech 9, knock out the best in the circle. 3 minutes wreck time, see the hand is faster than the eye can chase it. Dre, be real, soul assassins got potential buttons activated. No illusion, I have you caught up in the rapture. Executive decisions from the motherfucking puppet master.
Cats playing games, so I'm going raw. Run up in that fucking building, kick down the door. I don't want no fucking problems with X. Y'all wanna see them four-legged beasts with them collars on their necks, or them niggas downstairs with the text. You know the rest. Fuck is wrong with y'all niggas, bitch? I take respect. Dog shit hot, that's why you cowards froze me quick.
This is a bitch if you rollin'. Throw it up, let me know that you with it. 6-4 chromed out, rag top rolling.
I don't hang in my hood, but I'm banging my hood.
Niggas thought it was over, but X came back rolling.
You see, I'm real with my niggas, I kill for my niggas. Yeah.
6-4 chromed out, rag top rolling.
Grew up from the turf, love doing work. I'm
Thought it was over, but X came back rolling. I got my own sack to roll, so I'm rolling.
Till I'm hitting old age, still can fill a whole page with a 10-year-old's rage. Got more fans than you in your own city. Little kitty, go play. Feel like I'm babysitting Lil Tay. Got the Diddy OKs. Jackson go to sleep 6 feet deep. I'll give you a beat for the effort, but if I was 3'11", you look up to me, and for the record, you would suck a dick to fucking be me for a second.
What the fuck, bitch? Boomerang my change, I rearrange some things. My slang click bang and expose they brains. Then I pray, our Father who art in heaven. Got people jumping out the building like 9/11. Malcolm X to the sea, landing on them like Plymouth Rock. You get knocked out, get socked in your fucking mouth. Now everybody know the business, you want it, come get it. But if you roll it, throw it up, let me know that you with it. 6-4 chromed out, rag top rolling.
I don't hang in my hood, but I'm banging my hood.
Niggas thought it was over, but X came back rolling.
You see, I'm real with my niggas, I kill for my niggas. Yeah.
6-4 chromed out, rag top rolling.
Grew up from the turf, love doing work. I'm
Thought it was over, but X came back rolling. I got my own sack to roll, so I'm rolling.
And if you got a problem with this, let me know so I can add your fucking name on my list. All you West Coast DJs, check your wrist. If you scared to add the big fish to your playlist now. Enemies of this industry, I'm a Hall of Famer, treated like a stranger. Fuck that, another West Coast banger. Who gives a fuck if they play it in Virginia? I'ma play it on Danker, play it on Western. All up Van Ness will make your head turn. Motherfuckers wanna take our style and run that shit 3,000 miles. Then rub the shit all in our face. This award show all at our place. Damn, hell no, the pyroclastic flow is evident. And y'all know what I represent.
Know that you with it. 6-4 chromed out, rag top rolling.
I don't hang in my hood, but I'm banging my hood.
Niggas thought it was over, but X came back rolling.
You see, I'm real with my niggas, I kill for my niggas. Yeah.
6-4 chromed out, rag top rolling.
Grew up from the turf, love doing work. I'm
Thought it was over, but X came back rolling. I got my own sack to roll, so I'm rolling.
Pissing on they self when the real niggas drop. While they rolling in they shit, hitting corners on the block. Niggas fresh out the pen with 2 strikes. Be bumping this real shit every fucking night. It's alright, niggas. It's too hard, motherfuckers on the streets. It's the nigga MC Red and the nigga Easy. Fucking Candy Folk, beat that ass with the switch, then blast on the bitch who was all in my shit. Is that nigga Red back for the 9-5? They said real niggas was dead, but this nigga be alive, so I'm putting it down with that nigga E for all of my niggas in the CPT. So here we go again with part 3 of the script, making bitch made niggas bite they lip when we dip. So tell me how the fuck do it feel to get hit
but I'm banging my hood.
Niggas thought it was over, but X came back.
You see, I'm real with my niggas, I kill for my niggas. Yeah.
6-4 rolled out, rag top rolling.
Grew up from the turf, love doing work, I'm
Thought it was
affiliated.
over, but X came back rolling. I got my